Well, I played in a lot of stadiums, college stadiums and pro stadiums. So, and there's nothing like having the home field advantage. Stepping on that field, I mean, it was almost like a recall. You know, you see a play coming here, a play coming there, you remember this play, you remember this. You scored a touchdown over in that end zone, in that corner of the end zone, caught a pass over here. Didn't catch a lot of passes, but it sounds good. So.
When I stepped out on that track, I actually vividly remember standing at that starting line and having all of these thoughts of, you know, can I do this? Can I succeed? How far can I push myself to make this thing work? And I really did feel that. When I walked right back on that track, I thought to myself, that was a young emotion to have it. So, you know, that was something that was defining in my life.
Every time we come back, it seems like the city's changing. You know, you've got new stores, you've got new food joints, so it's really changing, and it really has to. And that's one of the reasons why we're here, is trying to get a new stadium for the high school.
We love the fact that this community really takes pride in progressing, and that's kind of what we enjoy, is to be able to come back and see the progression that the town has made, you know, that the city's made.
It's a game changer. You have a chance to be part of something that is going to make a real difference in not only the kids there now, 10 years and 20 years. There's not very many times you're asked to be chair or co-chair in a game changer, and this is one of the very few. I mean, I can think of the state fair as being a game changer. This is a game changer, and to be part of it's just pretty cool.
I truly consider it a community asset because so many different things can take place there. You know, you have the bands, and you have the band competitions, and you have the other schools using it for their games, and of course you have senior high using it for their games. And it's just going to be such a great, wonderful asset for the entire community. I feel like our facilities are going to finally catch up with our tradition. We've always had a very strong tradition, but there hasn't been a whole lot done to the Memorial Stadium in many, many years. There's been some small remodeling projects, but nothing like this. Because I know they're going to keep a little bit of the old traditional stadium, which I think is always a great idea, you know, to keep some of the history around. And we're just going to build on the Veterans Memorial, and that absolutely needs to be done.
Well, I was fortunate to be able to serve our country and be in the Army artillery. I got to go to Vietnam. That was a unique experience in and of itself, and spent a year with the 2nd Battalion, 3rd Infantry, 199th Light Infantry Brigade, directed the fire support and the indirect fires, flew in helicopters, got on the ground with the troops when the need arose. So it was a unique experience, and to be involved in this project, it just gives us an opportunity to pay tribute to all of the people who have served.
I think it's very important that we have a nice place for the kids to all come. Our city has grown so much that we need to have something a little more special for the kids.
I think it's just an honor to be able to pay back to the community and to hopefully leave the place a little bit better than when we first found it.
We all want to be proud of where we come from. Our foundation started here, so we're proud of that.
It's really home.
Right, it's
is what it is.
Grand Island is a place to be proud of.
This is our Memorial Stadium.
This is our grand legacy.
This is our grand legacy.
We invite you to join us with your gift to help our facilities catch up with our 70 years of tradition. Let's give our community home field advantage again.